once again. This particular video is about assignment number 3, which is writing a blog, posting the blog on your WordPress website, and then after posting the blog on your website to apply the on the page search engine optimization guidelines. For this particular assignment, there are 3 parts. The first one is writing a blog on a selected keyword, as I've already explained, and then once you've written the blog, then that blog has to be tested under certain website which is known as a wordcounter.net, where you are to follow certain content writing guidelines. And once those guidelines have been matched, then you are supposed to post the blog on your website, and after that you are to optimize the blog as per the given on the page SEO or search engine optimization guidelines. So step by step, I'm going to demonstrate the same assignment in 3 different phases. Now, the first phase is writing a blog, and for which I have already written a blog on some given keyword. And for my blog, the keyword is accounts payable automation. So based upon this particular keyword, I have pulled this information, or you can say blog, to post on the website. But before posting on the website, as I have already mentioned, you have to test this blog as per the given content writing guidelines under a specific website called wordcounter.net. So I'm copying this data or information or content from here and going back to that particular website called wordcounter.net and pasting the same under this window. Now, after pasting this information under this window, I have already told you are to check few parameters like unique word to total word ratio, then average sentence length, average word length, reading level, and keyword density. You have to match these few parameters with respect to content writing guidelines. So now you can see here I am having approximately 780 means approximately 800 words, and out of 800, 450 words are unique, so which is approximately 60% of the total content, you can say. Then my average sentence length is under 20 words, which I have already explained. You should not take more than 20 words per sentence, average sentence length. Then the average word length should not be less than 5 characters. In my case, it is 7.6, which is very good. But the reading level is college graduate. So we can always alter this, or we can make few changes, replacing the existing words with the synonyms to make it more understandable to the lower candidates. Then after that, you have to maintain the keyword density. Now, as I've told you, my keyword is accounts payable automation. So when I click on this X3, you can see my keyword appears on the top out of all the other words, accounts payable automation. When I click on X2, any 2 words will stay there on the top, and the third word will be at the second position. Now I click on X2, you can see accounts payable is on the top and automation is at number 2 position. When I click X1, all these 3 terms should be on the top in a sequence of first, second, and third, no matter what is the sequence. So when I click on X1, automation accounts payable. So my keyword was accounts payable automation. So all these 3 words are on the top. So as far as these few content guidelines are concerned, my content is ready to post on WordPress website. Now to post on WordPress website, you have to log in into your WordPress dashboard. You have to log in into your WordPress dashboard. Once you log in into your WordPress dashboard, you have to go to this post option. You have to go to this post option and click on add new post. So when you click on this add new post, you will get this similar screen, and here on the top you are to post blog title. I am going to copy blog title from this place and going back and paste it here, and then again the rest of the content I'll copy from this place and then paste under this particular window. So I have already posted my content here, blog title, and then the content. One more thing you have to complete out here is uploading a featured image. Now here is the featured image section. Upload any relevant image related to this blog or related to the content on the website. So I am taking any random image And once the image is uploaded, this blue button from the bottom right corner will highlight it, and you have to click this button to add an image. So you can see the image has been added. Now before you make any other operation, don't forget to publish this post. Until or unless you publish this particular post, this post will not be visible to the audience. So I just published this post and completed the second part of this assignment. The first part was writing a blog, making it a bit content friendly with respect to search engine guidelines. Now we have posted this particular blog on the website, a WordPress website, and published it. Now the third and last part is going to be a bit technical and long one. So when you posted this content on your WordPress website, go down to the same screen, then you will see this option called Rank Math SEO. So this particular plugin will help you to optimize the content with respect to search engine guidelines, and the search engine guidelines are here under basic SEO guidelines, additional parameters, title readability, and content readability. These guidelines have divided into these 4 sections. Now you can see all these parameters are indicating in red colors. So we are to convert these red colored parameters into green. So how to do this? Now the third and last portion is making all these parameters which are under red color into green color. So first thing first, now copy the keyword. Now whatever keyword you have taken for this particular content, in my case, as I told you, my keyword is accounts payable automation. Copy this keyword and go down to the rank math SEO section, and you will see there is one section called focus keyword. So you have to paste your keyword under this section. You have to paste this keyword under this section. Now see, the moment I pasted this particular content or keyword under this focus keyword section, few of my indicators have converted into green. Now I'll tell you, in case in your case these doesn't convert into green color, how to make the changes and where to make the changes. Now look at the demonstration one step at a time. Now the first step is you are using focus keyword in the SEO title. If I remove this keyword from here, now see, this converted into add focus keyword to the SEO title, add focus keyword to your SEO meta description, use focus keyword in URL, use focus keyword at the beginning of your content, use focus keyword in the content. Now the ratio of this keyword should be properly maintained in the blog content. Now when I add this keyword into this focus keyword section, it will automatically review the content and see whether my keyword is present on the required sections or not. Now this title, to make changes in the title or this meta description, we are supposed to click this edit snippet. If in your case these indicators doesn't turn into green, after adding the keyword, you have to go to this section, edit snippet. The moment you click on edit snippet, you will be able to write title and here description at your own. Don't go with the default section. Now while you are writing the title over here, you have to maintain these parameters also. Your title should not exceed 580 pixels. Your permanent link, which is called as a permalink, should not exceed 75 characters, and your description should not exceed 160 characters and 920 pixels. Now pixels is the amount of area your content occupy your monitor screen or your laptop screen. So our screen is measured by the pixels. The dots indicates 1 pixel on your screen, monitor screen. So here I am going to write title. Now I am copying my keyword out here and say affordable accounts payable automation services, let's say available. Now see, I have used 57 characters out of 60 characters, and my pixels are 532 out of 580, and this bar turned green. So you have to maintain this thing. Your bar should be at the end green, not like this red. So my title is over. Now here your permalink is your blog link, blog URL. So I will remove this and paste the keyword only. In your case, you can also paste the keyword, but rest assured this permalink should not exceed 75 characters. In my case, it is 69 characters. again the description part. Now under description we can write any descriptive content. Now I'm taking that descriptive content, let's say from my existing content where the keyword is already available, let's say transforming accounts payable. Okay, I am taking this content to post on my website. My website was under this thing, not exactly this. Let me, okay. So here I am copying and pasting this. Now you can see I have used 105 characters, 105 characters out of 160. Still my this top bar doesn't convert it into green at the end. And I have used 685 pixels out of 920 pixels. So I need to write few more words or characters. So again, I'll go back and pull mm, mm, some more content out of this. Automation refines. Okay, I just copied it and going back to the same area and paste it here. Now automation refines every phase of accounts payable. Uh, okay, I'll just remove it again. It is one character is more. Automation refines every phase of. Automation refines. Hmm, 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 hmm. Just a moment, everybody. Just a moment. Let's see. Automation refines. Let it be accounts payable only, and I just first full stop. Now, in my case, you can see still I have used 143 characters, but my pixels are more, 926. This is because of I have used too many capital letters in my content. So I am removing the capitalization with small characters. As you can see, I am okay. Now you can see I have replaced capital letters with the small letters, and my pixels have come down to 919, and this bar has turned into green. Now this is perfectly all right as far as this snippet is concerned. So we'll go back and see this snippet is over. This is how my listing will appear in the search engines if this page gets indexed. Now the next is we have done with the title and description. Now it says focus keyword not found in URL. Now my URL doesn't contain focus keyword. It is accounts payable automation, accounts payable automation. Okay, so focus keyword we can change from here, accounts payable automation. It is there. Why it is saying focus keyword not found in URL? Okay, let me first update this and see the effects. Just a moment. So I have just updated my content and now see whether that no, now this has turned into green because my keyword is present in the focus. My focus keyword is present in the URL. Focus keywords appear in the first 10% of the content. Like this first line should contain the keyword. Now you can see at the end I have this keyword accounts payable automation. Now the target is to achieve 95 score out of 100 for this page. The target is to achieve 95 score out of 100. So we have achieved 67 with this particular listing. And then next is focus keyword found in content. Now this whole content contains the focus keyword also. And after that we have content is 765 words long, which is good. In your case it may be more, as I have already told you to write a 1,000 word blog on a particular keyword. Now going to the next section, additional focus keyword not found in subheadings like H2, H3. Now you can see we have one heading on the top which is considered to be H1. Technically it is known as H1. Now under this we have to make any subtitle declared as H2 or H3. Now to declare these subheadings H2 or H3, first select any subheading with the keyword. Now you can see in this particular subheading my keyword is present, accounts payable automation. Now from here under this paragraph tab I just select heading 2 which is H2. Okay, so I just selected H2. Now see at the bottom, just first update whatever changes we have made, update, and then we will see whether that turn into. Now you see the SEO score has become 17, so effect will should be there. Under here now see focus keyword found in the subheading, it has turned into green. Okay, now add an image with your focus keyword at alt text. Now you can see Earlier we have added this image. So search engines demands your image should contain somewhat such a content reading which search engine should be able to understand whether this image is relevant with the content or not. So go back to this image. I just clicked on the image. Now see, here it is written all text. I simply copy and paste a few lines along with the accounts payable, I say automation. I have added this keyword. So saved it. Now you can see it has turned into green. Focus keyword found in the image alt text. Now keyword density, see keyword density is 1.7 and it appears 12 times. In any case, this keyword density should not be less than 1. I repeat, this keyword density should not be less than 1 means your keyword occurrences, the number of times your keyword appear in this content should be more than 1%, 1 or 1%, more than 1%. Now, URL is 69 characters long, as I've already told you under this snippet section. This is 69. It should not be more than 75 characters. So we have converted into green. Now the next is link out to external resources. Add do follow link pointing to external resources. Add internal links in your content. Now we need to add two links within the content, within this content. Now one link should be with any external website which is related to again finance or accounts, and one link should be linked within our own website page. So how to do this? Let's say I have randomly selected any finance related website and select any keyword or terms related to the keywords or keyword, select the content and then click on this particular icon, insert edit link. Here it is written insert or edit link. I just clicked it and then you are supposed to click this link option button. Now here you have to write down any external website link. Now in my case I just test this one. Okay, and don't forget to select this particular tab, open link in new tab. Check this box and then press add link. You will see one link has been added. This is external link which is pointing to any other third party website. Now we have to add one more link which should be linked with our own website pages. So I just take one more word out of all these terms like financial decisions. Okay, and again click on this insert or edit link and then click on these link options button, and here you will see your website pages will appear here. So you can select any random link and add it. So we have added one external link and we have added one internal link. And then don't forget to update to see the increased SEO score. Now see, in my case, it has turned into green and it is around 82. Okay. So we have to achieve 95. Now this has also turned into green. Additional. Only one error is there. Use content AI to optimize post. Now this option we cannot complete because we don't have the paid licensed version of this plugin. So again, go down and see your SEO title doesn't contain a number. You can skip this part. You don't seems to be using a table of content plugin. You are using short paragraphs, which is absolutely fine. You can see short paragraphs are always better. Now to apply this particular thing, I will install one plugin for you, which is table of content plugin. You may not be able to add this plugin since you don't have such permissions, but you are to first declare this thing. If you are not declaring H2 or H3 within your paragraph by drop downing going with this option, uh, you may not be able to achieve this particular section. You don't seems to be using table of content. Okay, so to utilize this thing, I am going to first update my existing blog and going to install that table of content plugin for you people. Going to netmain admin plugins. You can see how to add plugin. I have clicked on add new plugin. Now table of content I am searching. So I will get this plugin called easy table of content. Okay, so I'm either a table press table of WordPress made easy. I'm installing this particular plugin. I guess this is much better. Okay, it has got most installation and more reviews. Okay, I'm going to install it and activate this plugin. I'm going to activate this plugin. Um, Table of content, I am making it network activate. But if you go to your installation and if you go back to this thing, you may be having this option called plugins. If you go under plugins, you will get this option called, okay, this is already activated out here in my case, but you are supposed to either activate or it will be pre-activated. Let me okay, this is already pre-activated. Now see, I'm going back to that blog section again. I'm going back to blog section again and again opening it in the edit mode. So we have one error here or one error at that bottom. Now I'm making these as a subheadings. Let me define few subheadings for this content, something like this. This one also, and see the effect. I just updated it. It's still 82%. What is left? This cannot be completed. Time ready. Your SEO doesn't contain a number. SEO title. So here you can add like best 10 tips or let's say top 10 transforming finance operations. I'll just update it. Or you can make any changes in the title. If it is not getting changed writing here, you can simply copy it and go back to sniper section where we have earlier defined this thing, and I just removed since the number of characters have become more, and now removed it again. I am going to update. Let's see. 83. So this is good, this is good. Now we are left with content readability and table of content plugin. Let me see which table of content plugin it is recommending. This is okay. Which table of content plugin? Add new post, rank my post. Uh, Let me see. Okay, continue. I am activating this plugin. In your case, you need to check it whether it is already activated or you need to activate it. Uh, Add new table name is let's say I'm giving demo, no description, and add table. Okay, I just saved the changes out here. After adding this, now we'll go back to post. It is indicating 88 SEO score in my case. Now we have to keep on making changes till the time we achieve 95 as a SEO score. It is 88. Now everything is good out here, but in my case you can see content is a bit less, 765 words. Now if it is more than 1000 words or 1200 words, this will also get changed into green, and probably my SEO score will be somewhere around 95. So this is how you have to make changes in the blog section to make your blog search engine friendly. So this is the final phase, a third phase of your blog assignment. In case you need any other help, you can contact, message, or ask me in the class also. Thank you.